Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla came down today $12.21, that's 4.06%. Closed at 288.59. Post market, we are down by an additional 40 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Yesterday, after the FOMC meeting, the stock came down and we were pretty much right smack on our support at 372 cents. We still had stochastic on the daily chart. We had last stochastic on the hourly chart, and we are going to take a look at the hourly chart in a few minutes. So right now we came down today, so we opened below 372 and just went straight down pretty much to 285.46. So we have two supports right here. We have support at 285.46 and also at 280.55. We have the two supports right now. So it's possible that we stay above this second one right here, or it's possible that we drop down to the first one right here. It is impossible to say for sure yet. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand a little bit more how it happened today. Tesla opened up right here on the first hour and went pretty much straight down to 292.54. Second hour went through that, stayed sideways a little bit, then came a little bit lower, and this is where we are basically, I would say, bouncing on 285.46, but we are also, look at this with the long wick at the top here. So we tried to break 292.35 but could not. We are also bouncing down from that resistance right here. This is looking a lot like a congestion zone right here, a small congestion zone in the hourly chart. So if we break 285.46 tomorrow, it means that we are going at least to 280.55. And then if we break 280.55, we still have this upward support to catch us. And if we break that, then we could easily go to 267 or so. The stock is falling. We just need to take a look at where is it going to stop. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, because of this big drop, we just lost stochastic over 60, and our indicators are starting to turn. They are starting to turn one by one because of this drop. This is the reason why I play on the 1 hour chart, because here on the daily chart, we lost stochastic right now after the stock has basically dropped quite significantly, I would say. So then it's a little bit too late to hop in here on the daily chart to trade something, because we have a support right here at maybe 278, so it does not give us a lot of room to play. So if you are on the daily chart, again, don't look too much at this stochastic under 60 yet, because you still have a big support right here. You have a big support, and yes, it's possible to lose stochastic above support. It's not bad, but if we lose support and stochastic is gone, then it's bad. So from a daily chart perspective, it's still not too bad. This is a pullback. This is a pullback, but we are still in this upward channel, and now we are looking at something that is going to look a lot like a ascending triangle. So we are making higher lows, and we don't know where that low is going to be. I don't think it's going to be this one here that we got today, but it could be anywhere along this line. And then the stock should go back up again, and then it's going to reach this resistance, and it could cave in again and do this zigzag, and at some point it should break this resistance, and maybe this is going to coincide with the earnings call that is going to happen on October 19th. This is something that could be happening. it would mean that we would have this big ascending triangle within this upward channel that we have. So we always have patterns within patterns. This is a good example of that. So if we continue with our indicators, so yes, we lost RSI. So I'm going to do a red thumb down. So I put these thumb down to indicate to you what I care about for these indicators. So I care about stochastic over 60. I care about RSI over 50. So when it's over 50, I put a green thumb up. When it's under 50, I put a red thumb down. I put these green thumb just so that you can understand how I am using these indicators. In terms of MACD, we have a crossover bearish because we have the green line below the red line. So the green line is at 443 and the red line is at 445. This is why I'm going to put a red thumb down for the MACD. RSI, yeah, we also lost RSI. Look at this. We are losing pretty much everything on one day. And this money flow index, we are just observing it. And it was interesting that the stock is coming down right now. And it was interesting that we were almost at the same level as we were August 4th and August 16th. But the money flow index was showing less money within the stock. So maybe this money flow index is a precursor of what is going to come and is maybe showing us a divergence, just like the RSI is doing. If we look at the RSI on August 4th, it was pretty high. And if we draw a line from there to where it was today, we see that this was a decreasing top, a lower top that we had here around September 19th, while on the stock chart itself, it was almost at the same level. So we see here that RSI was telling us that no, this is not as strong in terms of the RSI. This is not as strong at this top that we had here, while on the stock chart, it was pretty much at the same level. So RSI, this is its use. Yes, I am also using for RSI over 50 or under 50, just to give us a sense of, is it bullish, is it bearish? But its main use, I would say, is that we try to spot the divergence. So we had a divergence here because we had a steeper downward line here on the RSI that we had on the stock chart itself. Basically, the money flow index is pretty much doing the same thing so far as the RSI. To me, this is telling me that we have not seen yet different kind of information from the money flow index that we are already getting from the RSI. So this is a strike for the money flow index. And I know that you like to learn about what I did and how I played this. Basically, yesterday when I saw the stock drop like this on the last hour, because everything was staying above 305.54. Then the FOMC meeting came, results came, and then we saw the stock go up and down like crazy. And then Tesla decided to go down, but it stopped at 372 with a very low stochastic of 18. So then I took a chance. I could have waited for the first 5 minutes of the day and look at Tesla broke below 372. I could have waited here and bought a put right here, but I decided to jump the gun a little bit, and in this case it was fruitful. So I bought a put yesterday at some point. I don't remember exactly. So I bought a put at some point right here, and I was comforted with a very low stochastic on the 1 hour chart. And lo and behold, Tesla dropped like this. This was almost a $3,000 gain today. So this was nice. Let's see what is going to happen in the next couple of days with Tesla. Are we going to break 285.46 and 280.55, there's less chance that we break 280.55 because we are going to be so close to this upward channel. So in theory, with this support, we should be bouncing on this. This is what the stock should be doing. So let's keep our eyes peeled to see if it's doing what it should be. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.